The K-Classic Brewer from Keurig makes it easy to enjoy your favorite beverages at the touch of a button. This brewer blends a proven design with practical features. Select from 3 cup sizes and brew your perfect beverage every time in under a minute. The K-Classic Brewer has a 48-ounce removable reservoir for even more brewing between refills. You can program the brewer to turn off automatically 2 hours after the last brew, helping to save energy. The drip tray holds a full 8-ounce accidental brew for easy cleanup. On the go? Simply remove the drip tray to accommodate a travel mug. Using the K-Classic Brewer is simple and convenient. Just pop in your favorite K-Cup pod and select your brew size to enjoy a perfect brew.
First of all, please make sure you have all the parts required for installation. Smart seat, wireless remote control, base plate parts including 1 base plate, 2 bolts, 2 flat washers, 2 plastic plates and 2 expansion nuts, water supply pipe, 3-way valve, installation manual, warranty card, and installation paperboard. Step 1. Before we get started, please check if the installation dimensions match your toilet. Step 2. Please remove the original toilet seat and clean the toilet surface around the mounting holes. Step 3. Installation of mounting plate. Press the expansion nuts into the mounting holes. Install the base plate, plastic plates, flat washers, and then tighten the bolts. Please make sure not to tighten the bolts completely, because in the next step we will use the installation paperboard to adjust the position of the base plate. Please unfold the installation paperboard. Adjust the position of the base plate to make sure the edge of the paperboard fits perfectly with the front end of the toilet bowl. After that, tighten the bolts completely. Step 4. Installation of washlet. Slip the washlet back onto the base plate until a click is heard. There, you've got it. Step 5. Connecting the water supply pipe. Please shut off the angle valve and install the 3-way valve onto the angle valve. Then attach the water supply hose and the washlet inlet hose into the 3-way valve. Connect the L-shaped end of water supply hose to the washlet inlet connector. Please turn on the angle valve and check if there is any leakage. Then insert the power plug into the power socket. The Smart Seat buzzer rings. First click, then the power light and energy saver light will flash. Power light on and energy saver light off means self-inspection. The buzzer rings a second click to show that self-inspection is finished. The water starts to flow into the tank and heating will take 3 minutes. Yan Chuan, better life, better price.